Okay, so here are the summary of the 7 major characteristics of all the classes under subphylum Vertebrata. Please don't forget our acronyms for all those classes under the vertebrate. The param, P is for Pisces, A is for Amphibia, R is for Reptilia, A is for Aves, and M is for Mammalia. Now, starting from the first characteristics, which is habitat, the Pisces is water. Then from water to Amphibia, which can live on land and in water. We have the reptiles on land, Aves, land, though sometimes you can consider a body. We have the Mammalia, which is on land majorly. Okay, there are some exceptions there. What are these exceptions? These are these are what the examiner some of the time usually used to trick many students. So take note. For the first one, we have some mammal that doesn't live on land. They live inside water. Those mammals are what? A typical example is whale. Whale is a mammal that lives in water. We have another one, which is a mammal that also water, that is a flying mammal. That's what? That is a bat that lives in water, that can live in air. You can call it arborea sometimes. So, okay, the next one is what? Number of heart chambers. Don't forget, we said 2, 3, 3.5, 4, 4. So that is Pisces 2, Amphibia 3, Reptilia 3.5, Aves 4, Mammalia 4. So, but we have some exception. The first exception is under what? Is under the amphibian. Amphibian and the larvae of some amphibian is called tadpole, and that tadpole, instead of having 3 chamber that, it has 2 chamber that. That's another exception. Next, we have under the reptilia. Where all the reptiles should have, they should have under a normal condition 3.5 chambered heart, but we have one that has 4 chambered heart, and that's crocodile. Don't forget, although crocodile is a reptile, it has 4 chambered hearts. Now, after the chambered heart, we have the next one, which is under the mode of fertilization. Under the mode of fertilization, Pisces. That is all those fish, they should have been they should have undergone external fertilization. But we have some fish that undergo internal fertilization, and that is the cartilaginous fish, which are the chondrotids. Don't forget the shark, the ray skates, they undergo internal fertilization instead of the normal external fertilization that is being undergone by fish. Okay, now moving away from that one, you have your you have your mode of reproduction. We have some species, we have some fish that undergo ovoviviparous, and we have some reptiles like some snake that undergo ovoviviparous. So that's about that. And under the organ of respiration, Pisces, normally the fish, they should have been using gill, but we have a fish that can use lung as its mode as an organ of respiration, and that fish is called lungfish. Thank you very much, everyone. Comment your own exception under the comment section. Bye.